Magnoliaceae, the Magnolia family. Magnoliaceae, the Magnolia family, two main genera worldwide, both represented by Delaware Magnolia and Liriodendron. 240 worldwide species and Liriodendron having two worldwide species. Tropical and temperate region. Most species are small to large trees. Stem and leaves of the Magnoliaceae contain one cell oil glands. Flowers solitary, perfect, showy. Fruits are varies within family, most common in aggregate of follicle. Receptacle elongated, become woody as fruit mature. Stipular scars go all the way around the twig. Popular ornamentals and shade trees, not commercially important, traditionally medicinal use. These are the photographs of Magnolia virgianum, Magnolia grandiflora. These are the Liriodendron tulipifera. Systematic position according to Bentham and Hooker. Phanerogams, dicotyledons, polypetalae, thalamiflorae, ranels, and magnolias. Phanerogams means flower-bearing plants. Dicotyledon, presence of two cotyledon, leaves with reticulate venation and taproot system. Polypetalae, petals are free. Thalamiflorae, thalamus present below the ovary. Ranels, the ovary is uh, superior. The family Magnoliaceae. Characters of family Magnoliaceae, trees and shrubs, two ranked, stipulate leaves, stipules enclose young buds, flowers hermaphrodite, actinomorphic, large, perianth usually trimerous, whorl or spiral, stamens and carpels numerous, apocarpus, spirally arranged on elongated axis, fruit and etario of follicle or berries, sometimes samera. Vegetative characters, habit, trees or shrubs, sometimes climbing, oil sacs present in stem and leaves, root, taproot and branch, stem erect, aerial, woody and branch, leaves alternate, simple, entire, commonly evergreen, coriaceous, simple, large, covering young leaves. Floral character, inflorescence solitary, terminal or axillary. Flower largest and sometimes 25 centimeter in diameter, that is magnolia and thracere. Complete, regular, actinomorphic, unisexual, usually bisexual, hypogynous, aromatic, floral axis or a torus, long to long convex. Perianth, 9 to many, free, all alike, and petaloid, or the three outer ones green in Liriodendron, arranged in whorls of three, imbricate and cyclic in Magnolia and Michaelia, or acyclic in spiral, arranged on an elongated or semi-elongated convex torus, free inferior. Androecium, stamens many, free, often spirally arranged in a beautiful series. Filaments short or absent, anther lobes linear with a prolonged connective. Gynoecium, carpels numerous, free, superior, arranged spirally on cone-shaped elongated thalamus, that is gynophore. Rarely carpels are fused. For example, zygogynum, placentation is marginal, fruit an aggregate of berries or follicle, sometimes a samera as in Liriodendron. Seeds large with abundant oily endosperm and bright or orange testa, which makes them highly decorative. Pollination mechanism is entomophilous due to large and scented flower. Distribution of Magnoliaceae. Magnoliaceae or the Magnolia family embraces 10 genera and about 100 species. The members of this family belong to the temperate region of northern hemisphere with centers of distribution in Eastern Asia, Malaysia, Eastern North America, West Indies, Brazil, Northeast and Southeast India. Economic importance of Magnoliaceae. Medicinal. The root, bark and dried roots of Michelia champaca are used as a purgative, while the flowers and fruits are used as a carminative. And in certain renal trouble and venereal diseases like gonorrhea, the bark of Dremes vintri and Elysium uranum is useful in medicine. Timber. The wood of Michelia excelsa is an excellent commercial timber known as whitewood. Michelia acuminata, Magnoliata hookerii, Michelia balloni, Michelia dotasopa, and Pachylarix piliocarpa produce valuable timber used for millwork, furniture, musical instruments, toys, etc. Ornamental. The species of Magnolia and Michelia are of surprisingly beautiful because of their conspicuous white and yellow tinted fragrant flowers. Flowers of Michelia champaca are used by women to ornament their hairs and also offered in temples. Michelia champaca yields champaca oil from the flowers, camphor from the wood, and scented water from the leaves. Affinities of Magnoliaceae. Magnoliaceae is akin to Annonaceae. Engler and Rendell and other botanists put the Magnoliaceae under the Rannales, but Hutchinson placed the family within the Magnoliales and consider it as the most primitive among the dicotyledons. The primitiveness of this family is shown by the spiral arrangement of stamens and carpels and apocarpous pistil, characters also shared with Ranunculaceae. Smith, however, casts some doubt on the assumption of the primitive nature of the Magnoliaceae and thought that the family is relatively specialized from vegetative and reproductive aspects. Common plants of the family, Liriodendron tulipifera, a large tree with handsome flower, wood as a timber. Michelia champaca, the champa, a garden plant cultivated for its flower, which was sweet scented, used in perfumery. Michelia grandiflora, bari champa or him champa, a small tree with fragrant flowers. Magnolia acuminata, cucumber tree, largest tree of magnolias. Its green fruit resemble a cucumber, wood light, soft and durable. Thank you.